Hey guys, picked up this little Meccano Robot one of the kids wanted. We got it home and tried to charge it, and the battery wouldn't take a charge. I tried using a power supply. It has this Meccano battery, which is a 6-volt battery. Looks like about 1,000 milliamp battery. So what I decided I'd try and do was see if I could use a Bauer, Harbor Freight Bauer battery. I use this on some USB chargers that I designed for the kids to use to keep their mobile electronic devices charged, and see if I could get this this robot to work using that. So took the cover off, and then I did some 3D modeling and 3D printed a unit that basically mates to the Bauer battery, and I'll put all the components and everything in the description. And then I ordered this this buck regulator from Amazon, and I adjusted it using a multimeter with to 6 volts. And so put it all together, use the screw that holds the power pack on, and then let's see if we can get it to assemble here. There's a little slot the wires have to go through. Yep. There we go. The screw that comes out of that normally holds the battery on the robot is an Allen machine screw, so you have to have an Allen wrench to tighten it up. All right, now let's see. There's this part that comes off, and the power input plugs right there, and then this clips back on. There we go. So we'll put the battery in, and then we'll hit the power and see if the guy will turn on. We'll say hello.
Make sure all of my parts are working properly. When you're ready to start my systems test, just say, "Start systems test," and I will walk you through the rest.
So there you go. He looks like he's up and running. He's now got a larger 20-volt power supply, and the kids will be able to play with him for a while and see what he can do. So hopefully somebody will find this helpful and be able to use it to get their little Meccano robot up and running. So thanks.